faces. People want you just because you made it.
Bro, this is 100% true, bro. Everyone, well, I'm a stranger. Sorry for trespassing in your country. Let me introduce myself, okay? I'm from Jamaica. Love from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So before you guys started to wonder who is this strange guy, who is this particular person, well, I'm just here for the music. I'm here for the culture. I'm here for the artist. I'm here to learn something new about this particular artist, right? So this country is called Philippines, right? It's not my first time reacting to a Philippine artist, but it's something new for me right now to react to someone new who's from the Philippines, right? So I've came across this particular guy, right? He's called FELIP, right? And he's a 27-year-old guy like myself, right? He's from the Pajidan city in the Philippines, right? And he's from the SB19 group. I have a familiarity about the SB19 group. I've reacted to a guy who's called Justin. He's also from the SB19 group. His genre is pop, R&B, and hip hop. Okay, right. I love this type of music. They are one of my favorite music to listen to, right? But I have a question I want to ask you all. Do anybody here know Bob Marley? Please let me know. Or Usain Bolt? Let me know, and I'll have a discussion down in the comments, right? So I'll be reacting to FELIP. The song is called Fake Faces, official music video. It's my first time knowing of this guy. And also, guys, stay hydrated. It's really important. Drink a lot of water. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive in. I'm excited as well. So peace.
Don't tell me it's wrong, cause it's not. I don't.
Wow. Okay. This sounds incredible thus far. Let's continue.
I don't trust nobody, I put up these walls. They just wanna use me until I'm dried up.
Wow. Damn, bro, he's good. He's good. He's good.
Fake faces come and go. Nothing's gonna save me. Feels like I'm finally going crazy. I'm out on the run. There's
Well, bro got vocals, bro got skills, bro got bars. You got bars, bro. And damn. Okay. Let's continue.
no use in escaping. One day they love me, then they hate me. I'm never enough, and I try to give.
Oh my, I love this song. You know why? Because a song that is substantial, bro. And the song is literally speaking volumes. Right? Damn, bro, it's good. Go.
What they want from me. This one-sided love is slowly killing me. So don't tell me it's wrong, cause it's not.
Bro. Yo, it's my first time, and bro is giving an excellent vibe.
I don't trust nobody, I put up these walls. They just wanna use me until I'm dried up.
Yo, and you know what makes this song so incredible? It's because it's a factual song, bro. It's a song that anyone or everyone can relate to once you are doing something great. Right?
Fake faces come
Yo, okay, okay. I love it. 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 With the guitar skills, with his musical talent, bro is international. He is international, bro. I love it. Well done, my bro. Well done.
Fake faces come and go. They gon' take all that you got. I got something that they want. Wide awake because these thoughts always keep me up.
Yo, yo, yo. I don't know, but something about this man's music, it's diverse, bro. It is just so properly written, my G. Like, ain't no freaking way. The Philippines consists of so much talented artists, bro. I mean, like, every time I've reacted to a Philippine song, it's inspirational. It's substantial, bro. I mean, like, the Philippine country consists of a lot of talented people, and I have to say, you guys are superb, bro. Bro, keep up the superb work. Keep up the superb work.
Run away from all the hate, disappear without a trace. They gon' miss me when I'm gone, I'll keep moving on. I try to give what they want from me.
Yo, this song is very relatable, right? Once you're doing something great and no one appreciates the work that you're doing, right? You know when they're gonna look at it differently? When you're gone. Bro. Dog, this song is great, bro. This song is a great song.
This one-sided love is slowly killing me. So don't tell me it's wrong, cause it's not. I don't trust nobody, I put up these walls.
Yo, the chorus is diversely beautiful. It's superb. It's just super, bro. This guy personality is great. It's great. He have a great persona. To be honest, I love it, and it's telling everything that the music is talking about, bro. Right? Damn, bro. There are a lot of good people, like good people out there who can sing, who can DJ, who can do anything in every country. And that is the reason why I'm here in the Philippines, just because of this new superstar, bro. He's a superstar. Let's support his music, bro. It's good. His music is really good, bro. It's substantial, bro.
They just wanna use me until I'm fired up. Fake faces come and go, and I don't know where I should go.
No, bro. Keep on drilling them, bro.
Cause I got no place to call a home. Fake faces come and go, and it goes back and forth, the same conversations. I'm so sick of these fake smiling faces.
Oh, bro. It's just like in my country, Jamaica, bro. I mean, like, there are a lot of fake people. There are a lot of fake niggas out there, bro. They're just here, right? That's why it's rather to hold our own. Because there are a lot of fake people with fake ambition, with fake mentality, with fake motivation, right? Because it's not coming from a heart, it's just coming from the mind, and the mind is literally corrupt, bro. And I mean, like, it's a perfect song for anyone who listen to music and understand what people is going through, right? People will literally comes around when they saw something is going on with you.
People want you just because you made it. So tired of it all, and it goes back and forth, the same conversations. I'm so sick of these fake smiling faces. People want you just because you made it.
Bro, this is 100% true, bro. Yo, I'm so happy to check by. I'm so happy to listen to this man's music because it's, oh man, it's so true, bro. It's so true. I'm sorry, but it's so true.
So tired of it all. So don't tell me it's wrong, cause it's not. I don't trust nobody, I'm put up these walls.
Bro, that was a very great song, bro.
They just wanna use me until I'm dried up. Fake faces come and go. And I don't know where I should go.
Yo, you deserve an Oscar, bro. This music deserves a lot of people's attention. And you know what? Good music never sells, right? It's the one that doesn't make any sense sells. This is the reason why his music is going to last for a lifetime, because it's positive. And positive doesn't trend, bro. It doesn't, right? But the negative will always trend because people will talk and talk and talk, but never yet compliment a guy for doing good. Yeah, it's always a negative, bro. So, substantial music, my G.
'Cause I got no place to call a home. Fake faces come and go.
Bro, fake faces come and go. So guys, right? It's amazing. It's amazing. And if you guys do have any more suggestions that you guys want me to check out for Philip, let me know. His music is very substantial, astounding song, well written song. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, bro.